Introduce highlight features or overview summary of AWESAFE car radio stereo upgrade 2GB plus 64GB for Jeep Wrangler. There are key features include Android 12 system, Android 12 operating system, 2GB RAM, 64GB ROM, ensures smooth operation and faster response. Various free apps that GPS navigation and Wi-Fi connect. Built-in offline map of North America. Online map also be supported. After connected to Wi-Fi, you can backup camera. This car radio come with backup camera. When you shift to rear gear, the reverse line will coming out automatically. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. A smart way to use your phone in the car. Simply connect your iPhone/Android phone to the Android car radio via Bluetooth or USB cable. Use Smart Voice Assistant or touch the display. You can get directions, make calls, send and receive messages, and enjoy music, etc. A smarter, safer, and more fun way to use your phone in the car. And keep you stay focused, connected, and entertained. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.